Hello, everybody. It is Mouse123123.
0%.
I have something really interesting to show you. This right here is a broadcast transmitter and broadcast switcher. This metal thing down on the bottom, that's a broadcast switcher. This is a broadcast link transmitter, which goes to WATC, the radio station I own's AM transmitter, using a TV band broadcasting link. So that's what this big antenna. Let me get it in the camera view. That's what that big antenna right in front of the camera is for. That's our TV link for our AM transmitter. And I'm going to show you how this stuff would be wired up in a new installation. So just sit back and watch the video. So what I'm going to do is, first things first, we need to make the connections on the mixer, or we need to hook power to the equipment. And there's a sequence to doing this. You don't want to plug in the transmitter first, because once that transmitter is detected on the air, that actually puts the AM station on the air. It's a 50,000 watt station, so we're plugging in the power to the broadcast switcher because we will need that power to do some tests. And I'll show you how this works, because what I have done so far,
Capital S, Sierra.
Take a look at this power strip. I'm going to show you it right there. If you take a look at this power strip, you're going to see there's two things already plugged into it. And you're going to hear a click when I power something on. So, the way to check this is to do the old stick your tongue on it thing with the 12 volt supply. So right now the switch is pointing down. That means this whole station is shut off. So now the broadcast switcher is on. So basically, I have hooked this up to a power strip that actually has a control plug on it for the last 4 plugs. So I have the mixing board plugged in, and then I have 3 more plugs that I can do whatever I want
Space
with.
running out. This may slow down your phone.
Whatever.
Delete some files to keep it running smoothly.
Whatever. So basically what's going to have to happen is this might be a part 1 to how the broadcast station is wired, because as you know, my phone is kind of getting low on storage. I don't know what's taking up all my storage. I've deleted.
Status, file system limit. Too many files have been created on your
Oh,
phone.
shut it,
Apps
phone.
may stop working correctly and your phone may no longer start up.
Oh, shut
Back
it,
up any
phone.
important data and factory reset your phone.
Oh, shut it, phone. So what's got to happen is the broadcast audio out actually has to be hooked to. We're going to unhook this temporarily, because this has nothing to do with what we're doing with it. So the first thing we're going to do is actually hook the cable that connects this up to the transmitter. This cable is a 1 RCA to dual RCA cable for connection to this transmitter. And that's connected in there. And all that just goes back behind there. That extra wiring just goes back behind there. This is the transformer for the mixer, or for the switcher itself. We are not going to, in fact, we're going to basically shut everything down. Everything has been shut down because I've checked the power switch on the mixing board. And because now I have this wired up such that the power switch controls everything on every part of this little broadcasting station. And so basically what you do is you will shut it off. I've just shut it, turned it back on. That does have my analog cordless phone plugged into it as well. That's on one of the actual plugins. That's on one, because there's two always on plugs, one control plug, and 4 other plugs. The third plug might be used for something else. I'm not so sure yet what it's going to be used for.